Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited right now that I have both of my October 2022 IPSY Glam Bags to unbox here. I have my regular IPSY Glam Bag, the cheaper one, and then I have my Glam Bag Plus, and I'm going to do a double unboxing, and I'm really excited to, compare them, see how good one is compared to the other. And if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I love subscription boxes. I get all of the IPSY Glam Bags, all of the BoxyCharm boxes, and then I am trying to subscribe to even more. So I did subscribe to Chic Beauty Box, Kinder Beauty Box. So if you have any others that you would like me to unbox here on my channel, I would love to hear some recommendations. But so let's go ahead and get into these unbaggings here. IPSY is a monthly beauty subscription that's supposed to be customized to each person based off of the product feedback that you give and the quiz that you fill out. And sometimes it's well curated to me, sometimes it's not. The Glam Bag Plus is great because you get to choose 3 out of your 5 products, but the Glam Bag regular one, which I'm unbagging first here, you only get to choose 1 of your products. So we've got a cute kind of like Halloween themed bag. It's a little hard to tell, but there's some faint spider web detailing on this kind of black leathery bag. It's cute. It's not like too over the top Halloween. Ooh, and let's see what the little zipper handle looks like. Oh, cute, a spider. This is actually a very cute Halloween bag. And it's called Halloween. Now that is cute. I like that. Oh, I didn't get product information for my regular glam bag. Usually I do get product information for this glam bag, so I can reference the app because I'm gonna have to do that anyways for the Glam Bag Plus. But you know what, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna try something a little different. Does anyone care what the retail value adds up to? I mean, I kind of care with the full-size products, but with the regular glam bag where you get sample sizes, they say you're supposed to get $50 worth of product, and I just never feel like I do. And I also should let you know that I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's why I'm also not really going to look on the app right now, because I look up the products so that I have product information when I do those dedicated review videos. So you know what? It's a little repetitive. We're going to skip that because we've got a longer unbagging today. So let me know in the comments down below if you hate this. But okay, let's get into the glam bag. And so first, okay, this seems like a great first product to pull out. So this is Kinder Beauty, but it's not with an I, it's KNDR, which I think it must be different than the Kinder Beauty box that I signed up for. But like, the font looks similar. But this is a lip scrub, which I don't really get lip scrubs in my beauty subscriptions, but I need lip scrubs because I really struggle with dry lips. And so I'm just breaking into the packaging here. Oh, it does smell kind of like rose. It doesn't look that appealing, but you know, I should actually really incorporate this into my skincare routine. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and I'm not familiar with this brand. I really like learning about new brands in IPSY, so I'm going to give this a try. And soon, I promise, I'm going to be doing an empties video on my channel. That's where I can let you know how products like this, skincare, lifestyle, hair care products work out for me, because I like to use those products up completely so I can really get my full review and really see the results of those types of products. But lately it's just been taking me a long time to go through any products, so I haven't really had empties for the past few months, but now I'm starting to get a stash and I'm really close to finishing a bunch of products, so I'm excited to do that empties video soon. Next, I'm pulling out, I haven't seen this brand in a little while, but I used to see this brand a lot. It's called Real Her, and this is a cute brand because every product has positive affirmations on them. So this is I Am Complete. Ooh, brow setting gel. I love brow products. I use a brow gel every day. Let's see what color this is in. I mean, even if it's clear, that's good too. It doesn't even say what color, so let's see. Yeah, clear. I mean, that is great. I've actually been needing a new clear brow gel. The one that I'm currently using is starting to get like a little crunchy, and it's also running low, so I feel like it's time for me to switch it up, and maybe this will be a good one for me to switch to. The next product, ooh, this is a great brand to see. Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's Magic Touch Concealer. I love trying out concealers. I was just saying I love brow products. I also love like complexion products, concealer, foundations. I mean, there are so many makeup products that I love to try out. If there weren't, then I wouldn't have this series that I do here on my YouTube channel. But brow products, concealers, some of my top favorites. I'm needing a lip scrub. So far, this unbagging is going great. And I got this in the shade number 2. So hopefully that'll be good. Next, I've got, oh, this is a good brand, First Aid Beauty. This is Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Okay, see, this is where I start to get a little frustrated because I have put on my IPSY feedback that I do not want masks. I have not been doing a mask in a very long time. I used to do masks weekly. You know, maybe this is a sign that I need to get back into my weekly masks. And pore purging mask actually sounds like exactly what I need. Purify and smooth, safe for sensitive skin. Okay, you know, this is actually getting me kind of excited to try out a mask. You know, why have I been depriving myself of doing masks? I'm going to get back into it. But I am a little disappointed to see a mask just because I shouldn't be getting masks in IPSY. I prefer to not get skincare, so at least so far it's not too much skincare. Let's see what the last product is. Ooh, this is a great last product to end on. Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara. I think the brand here is called Ditto, which I don't think I'm familiar with this brand, but guess what? I also love trying out mascaras. I am so picky with my mascaras, and I love trying out all sorts of different mascaras. So this is actually a great bag, but it's all very small sample size products. If you're telling me this right here is $50 worth of products, I am not going to believe so. But other than that, this is a really, like, for the IPSY Glam Bag, that's a pretty good one that I have right here. And now onto the Glam Bag Plus. I definitely tend to prefer the Glam Bag Plus. Of course, I get to choose 3 out of my 5 products, which means I'm more likely to like the products that I get, but also they're all full size. And I think, you know, like, it's so hard to keep track of the pricing, and like some of these I do annual, some of them I do 3 months or 6 months. Like, I think I pay maybe around $30 for the Glam Bag Plus, maybe around $15 for the regular Glam Bag that I just unboxed. And the difference in the amount of value that I get in the Glam Bag Plus versus the regular Glam Bag, I just think the Glam Bag Plus is where it's at if you're trying to choose one or the other. But I'm jumping ahead. Let's unbag it and make sure that that's an accurate statement. But I also just really like the makeup bags that you get in the Glam Bag Plus. It's, I would say, always the drawstring big style like this, and I just have more use for the bigger bag. This is also a great gift bag. You can even fit wine in it. That's what I do a lot of times, is I use this to like put around a wine bottle that I'm gifting. I will say this design is not exactly my taste, but it's fun. It's Halloween. I mean, this could be like a little Halloween gift for a lucky trick-or-treater that comes to my door, because there's probably not even going to be like more than one. So maybe I'll fill this with candy. That would be nice. But okay, let's see what's in here. Like, there is a lot of products in here. Maybe, no, I did a little sneak peek. I think there's only 5 in here. But sometimes I redeem IPSY points to get products, and those may show up in my Glam Bag Plus, making it seem like I got more products than you actually get in your actual Glam Bag. But okay, what I have pulled out first is from a brand that I don't think I recognize, the Lifestyle Co. Actually, that sounds familiar. Radiant Glow Botanical Oil Cleanser. This just goes along with what I was talking about before. I don't really like to get skincare, and cleansers I would say are on the same level as a mask, where I have never said that I want it. I always put that I do not want masks, cleansers. I just have way too many, and they just don't excite me as much. So, I mean, of course, Radiant Glow sounds very nice. Packaging, a little meh. Having the pump is kind of nice, but brightens and nourishes. Like, I'm not going to try this, but it's not something I'm going to be super excited to just switch out my cleanser right now and jump into this. And I was already saying how I like to completely use up my skincare type of products. So I just don't go through them as quickly, and I don't need as many of them. So let's move on to another product in here. We've got, oh, I see this brand a lot in both IPSY and BoxyCharm, Trace Luce. And this is Hello Brows. Ooh, another brow product. Dual-ended micro brow pencil. I actually do like the pencils that I've tried from Trace Luce, and I love a brow pencil, so this sounds cool. Double-ended in the shade Blonde. So this is like a thicker triangle shape. And then the other side, oh, is a skinnier, maybe slightly darker. Maybe this is so you can do like an ombre brow, but I like it. This is a little different. I haven't seen a brow pencil quite like this. And when you've tried out as many products as I have, it's very exciting to see something a little different. All right. Hopefully the next product I pull out will also be exciting. Oh, okay. I wasn't super excited when I saw the brand Complex Culture because I haven't had the best of luck with Complex Culture products. And this is Filter Out Anti-Pollution Face Primer. But I actually really like trying primers, but I am picky. If a primer doesn't do anything, then I'm going to let you know, and I'm not going to like it. Oh, this is very nice packaging. An anti-pollution, I mean, I believe it, but do I need a primer that's going to be anti-pollution? I don't know. Like, I need my primer to do more than just be anti-pollution. So it says hydrate, prime, and neutralize pollution with this protective face primer. Sounds like it has nourishing ingredients in it. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to give this a try. I'll do a dedicated review video on it. But the claim, the description, anti-pollution face primer, doesn't have me as excited as like a glowy primer, a pore refining, minimizing, smoothing primer. Like, it just doesn't sound like it is going to target a main skin concern of mine. And that's what I really use primers for. But okay, next I've got, ooh, hand cream from Misho Beauty, which I don't think I'm familiar with, but I could use some. Let's give this a little try. When it comes to like skincare products that I do not want, if it's a body product, I don't mind it as much because I go through those much quicker. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm so used to my hand creams being extremely fragranced, and which I like. Maybe there's like a little hint of like a fruity smell to this. Yeah, there's like a hint of fragrance, but it's definitely not overly fragrance, and it's also not super thick. Sometimes I would assume a hand cream is going to be thicker, but this is kind of like a regular lotion that I probably could use all over my body. The lotion that I actually am using as my daily body lotion right now is a hand cream, and it smells incredible, but it's not super thick. So I actually have been really liking that for my entire body. It's from the brand EOS, and it's the vanilla cashmere scent. Incredible. But I'm almost done with that, so I'll definitely have that in my empties video, and maybe I'll switch to this as my body lotion because I like it. I mean, it gives a little bit of a silky shine to the skin, which is nice for the body. Moisturizing, not too greasy. I could go for a little more fragrance, but it does smell fine. Okay, so, oh yeah, and then my fifth and final product in here, and there is another duplicate card, no product information. But my fifth and final product here, Fenty Beauty. This is an exciting brand. I love to try out Fenty Beauty products, and it's rare for me to get it in IPSY or BoxyCharm. Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper. I love lip plumpers. And I got this in the shade Hot Cherry, which looks like a hot pink, which I absolutely love. Oh, I guess maybe more like a hot red, but okay, this is an awesome product to end on. I'm so excited about this. Probably the most exciting product, definitely the most exciting product in my Glam Bag Plus. I can't open it because of the hand cream I just put on, but that's okay. I'm going to be trying this out in a dedicated video. Glam Bag Plus is not my best Glam Bag Plus. The only 3 makeup products I got were the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the Complex Culture Primer, and the Trace Luce Eyebrow Pencil, and then the 2 skincare products. You know what? I think I forgot to choose products from my October IPSY Glam Bag Plus because, you know, let me look onto the app. The app will tell you if it's one of the products that you chose. And I think I forgot to do it for November also. Or unless November hasn't come out yet? No, okay. It's the Glam Bag X for November. Yeah. Oh man, I really messed up because I did not choose any of my products. Wow, that is so unlike me. If anyone knows when I'm supposed to make my choice for the November Glam Bag X, let me know in the comments down below. I do not want to miss that. So it's hard for me to actually say between the 2 glam bags which one I prefer. I'll do a quick recap and you can let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer. I know I'm asking for a lot of things in the comments down below, but for my Glam Bag Plus, I got the Misho Beauty Hand Cream, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, the Complex Culture Face Primer, the Trace Luce Brow Pencil, and the Lifestyle Co. Cleanser. So like, it's an okay bag, but I feel like my Glam Bag, regular Glam Bag, is actually pretty good for the month because I got the Ditto Mascara, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer, the First Aid Beauty Mask, the Real Her Brow Setting Gel, and the Kinder Beauty Lip Scrub. I was thinking it was going to be a very obvious clear winner that the Glam Bag Plus is better, but I mean, I'm really glad I got both bags this month. So I guess this isn't the most helpful if you were trying to choose one or the other. But I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.